Welcome to your weekly UAS news update. We have 3 stories for you this week. The first one is an update on the NDAA bill, which is a good one. And then we have drone leaks and releases, and then finally a drone story for good. So let's get to it. First story this week, the Senate has released its manager's package of 93 amendments of the 2025 NDAA. The Countering CCP Drones Act was not included in the package. This is obviously a fantastic development, but we should not let off the pressure just yet. Now, this isn't the end of the road for this attempt to pass the Countering CCP Drones Act through the NDAA or even as its standalone form, but it is a very good sign. I'm going to say that again. It is a very good sign. Now, the NDAA will now be debated between the Senate and the House until both entities agree on the language, with very little time left to negotiate. But be sure to keep contacting your senators and your representatives to educate them on how this bill would hurt drone users across the United States. Next up, we have a few DJI leaks and then also a Skydio event. Now, this week we saw a leaked image with a possible Mavic 4. Now, this is the first image and it is, as always, very pixelated from far away. We don't even know if it's a Mavic 4, so this is really to take with a grain of salt. But the possible Mavic 4 looks like it's got 3 cameras set up on what is likely a testing body, along with also a Mavic 3 Pro was in the image, a Sony a7 IV, and possibly even the Lumix S5 II. It's tough at this stage to speculate what may be different without more information, but obviously we'll keep you posted if we hear more. Speaking of rumors, the Air 3S pricing has been leaked, including the 3 different combos. It looks like it would come with an RCN3, which is the controller that we just saw with the Neo, and that would be a pricing of $1,045. The Air 3S with the RC2 controller would be $1,310. That's the controller that has the screen in it. And then the Flymore combo would be $1,494. Again, these pricing are leaked, so not the final pricing likely. Specific features are still pretty sparse, with many hoping that it has a larger sensor than the Air 3, but we'll keep you updated when we see more. We had Skydio this week had an event where they released a dock for their Skydio X10 drone, as well as a DFR platform. Now, DFR here stands for Drone as First Responders. The platform is geared mainly towards law enforcement agencies, and they are doing this in partnership with Axon. This announcement seems to follow the footsteps of other manufacturers that have been releasing drone-in-a-box solution over the last few years, including Skydio themselves with the X2 dock a few years ago. Autel has done that. DJI has the dock, and then now the dock 2 as well. The DFR solution announcement also comes in with the rise of popularity of the concept, which was pioneered over the last few years by companies such as DroneSense and Paladin, and a lot of public safety agencies who work with these companies to make this happen. Another American UAS manufacturer, Brink, announced their DFR program themselves earlier this year as well. Last up, a Drones for Good story. We love to talk about these from Tulsa County. An 87-year-old man with dementia went missing this week around 2:30 in the morning. The family was unable to locate the man and called the police. The police responded with K9 and a thermal drone. Around 4:30 in the morning, the drone spotted a person near the K9 team, locating the missing man who was unharmed, which is awesome. So great job to all and great use of the drone. And then lastly, on the Pilot Institute community, someone is getting a trophy and $250. That's right. The winner of the September drone photo contest is Bobby Johnson. The theme was colorful, and he captured this, calling it Full Colors at Riverfront Park in Billings, Montana. Congratulations to Bobby. And if you're not already a member of the community, make sure to check it out at pilotinstitute.com/community. And that's it for this week. We'll see you on post-flight in the community on Monday, and then we'll see you for a happy hour on the community as well at 4 o'clock tonight.
Previously on Post-Flight.
If you haven't joined for Post-Flight before, this is an extension of the weekly news update. We cover the stories in more detail and actually discuss them with a little bit of opinions, speculation, and really dive into it. So, what are our guesses on when it's going to come out? Let's make a prediction now.
Well, the holidays are coming, right?
It'll be pre-Black Friday.
Pre-Black Friday is my guess.
Yeah.
There's, of course, a bunch of issues lately with getting anything through customs.
Right.
And so we'll see if that delays anything. But yeah.